All right, I got my bucket with the holes drilled in the bottom. I got just a utility pump, and now we've got our hose running out. And as you can see, it's real wet, so I built a little bridge to get over there. Let's see if I can just set you up. That'll be close enough. There we go. All right. The fun part is always working in water when also near electricity. Just soak this puppy. We'll dry this nozzle off, and let's see, plug it in, hopefully no problem. And if there is, well, you saw it here first. Help me, jeez. Whoa. You're alive. So now it's working. Yeah. All right. There we go. So we got that going. I mean, take a look. This is just not even stopping. You can see the current. It's all flying down here and comes right over, bam, to this hose, which is poorly placed. Let's get a little further. Yeah. Now I'll take it out to the street. So that's a good sign that it's pumping. That means we can get most of this water out, at least get it below level, because what's happening is it's chewing in on all this stuff going on over there. But this will bring it down a notch, at least get this area dry. I mean, after the rain stops coming. But hopefully this thing will do the job to at least keep it from getting inside the building. Look at that. I mean, that is just, that's moving. It's all headed right over there. So I'm gonna set this up on a little bit more permanent. This is just a utility pump. Normally they have the on and off switch, which there's a drum buried underneath it, and that's where my permanent one is. So once we get this cleared out, we'll open that up, pull out that sump pump, and take it, I don't know, we'll go to Home Depot or Menards and find a replacement, put that in there, and then hopefully we'll be able to avoid this from flooding in the future. Some pumps are pretty important. If you've had a basement flooded, you know that they can do a lot. This property right here, this actual building's on a real low point, so we actually have 3 of them surrounding it. But look at that, you know, when one goes out, and unfortunately the only way to really know is you got to, you know, dump water in there and check it every once in a while, or you wait till something like this happens. But definitely heard a lot of rain. Went and checked the studio, that was fine there. But we had some flooding over here. So there you go, a little quick fix if you ever have flooding in your basement. get yourself a bucket, drill some holes in it, pick up a utility pump and a hose, and you can have it, put it out a window or put it out the door, and hopefully start clearing some of that water out. It's a lot easier than trying to wait for a plumber, especially if this happens inside and it's all over your stuff. So it's still coming down later.